Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Atherosclerosis. So process of atherosclerosis actually starts in early childhood. Whenever there is a blockade in the lumen of the artery, whenever there is blockage of artery lumen, when the blockage of artery lumen is more than 70%, then it is called as critical stenosis. Okay. So what are the risk factors of atherosclerosis? So according to a proven study, that is Framingham study, we have a major risk factors. Major risk factors are actually proven by the Framingham study. So according to this Framingham study, in the major risk factors we have smoking, hypertension, diabetes mellitus and hyperlipidemia are important in the Framingham study. Then among all these, what is the worst risk factor? Worst risk factor for atherosclerosis is diabetes mellitus, whereas the most common risk factor for atherosclerosis is hypertension. Then what will provide good improvement? If the patient stops smoking. Stopping smoking results in immediate improvement. So this is important to advise every patient with atherosclerosis to stop smoking. Then what are the minor risk factors? There are also minor risk factors. The minor risk factors include there can be hyperinsulinemia, there can be increased homocysteine levels are seen, cocaine use, increased fibrinogen, increased C-reactive protein. Then we have reduced HDL, high density lipoprotein is seen, or there can be increased lipoprotein A is seen in the patient. Then we have a family history. There is a family history of coronary artery disease is seen, and there is premature. There can be premature coronary artery disease is also seen. Especially this premature coronary artery disease in the family is seen, and this premature coronary artery disease is common in age less than 45 years in males, and it is common in age below 55 years in females. And even the first degree relatives are the siblings and parents. If the first degree relatives with siblings, that is siblings or parents, if they have this disease, if they have atherosclerosis, then there is increased risk of atherosclerosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.